King boy trying to got here my brother.
Back with another banger on this
You already know. And today here we are here to oh yeah, you be the cameraman right there for me. We are here today. We heading to the we actually heading to pick up my brother's truck. He got some, well, I let him tell about it. He's got some work.
Yeah, I'm getting a set of quad roll wheel lights put on, and got a good buddy that he installing them for me, because I really don't know nobody installing the wheel lights, and I know I don't want to spend this type of money and then turn around me trying to put them on myself and mess up within a week. Then I don't spend that type of money and they already tore up. So I really let somebody that does it professionally and knows what they're doing to do what they gotta do.
Yeah, because this guy right here supposedly, which he's always did good work for me. I know him real good. My brother knows him more than I do. Yep. And we had ordered some lights back. I got some quad rolls too, because I think he got quad rolls too, same as I got.
We both got quad rolls.
And this guy here, he does professional work. I mean, you ain't gotta worry about your wild saw tank dangling. You ain't gotta worry about your bracket fall off. This is the best of the best, you know. When I mean the best of the best, I mean legit. He's gonna take care of you. He's gonna take care of you. Also, he's the only guy that I know that you can turn your wheel lights on and off outside the truck. You know, most people have a switch or something, or like a side-by-side flip-up switch.
Yeah, cause that's all I was gonna do, put him on the switch and flip it on, flip it off.
Flip it on. He's got
a way you hit it with a remote.
Yeah, with a remote.
Turn them on and off.
Turn them on and off. And I think that just shows the quality that he does, that he brings to the table, because he thinks outside the box. You know, you know me. The switch, I'm the switch. Everything I wire up.
Everything I wire up. You gotta have the switch. Ground it off, and then hook the hot wire to it. Turn it on, turn it off.
And you know what he does, man, he thinks outside the box. He makes it look professional, man. You know, he makes it look like a single truck. He does good work. Now he can also do painting the metal way. We're gonna tune in on that, because y'all already know y'all might be one of them on the start of FTS there. My powder coat guy. I could take it to another powder coat guy, but this guy right here always did good work. He did my brother, he did some of my friends, and my cousin.
He did all my work. He did my cousin.
He does fabrication work too. And so I'm just going, it's like a barber basically. You know, you don't go to everybody cut your hair. And so this guy is like the powder coat guy, is like a barber. You don't go to everybody. You go to, you know, once you figure somebody to do good work, you just wanted him to. He's got a few things he's doing, and that's the reason why I haven't did anything. You know, I haven't took it to somebody. But anyway,
which we just talked to him today.
Yeah.
And anyways, he's hopefully by next month, around about close to Thanksgiving, he's gonna be done with his project that he's doing right now. So my brother's gonna be first up in line. So once all that happens, then we finna get started on the FTS on his truck, and we finna come strong with this truck.
Oh yeah.
I feel like we're gonna go stronger with this truck than we is with my truck.
Yeah, I'm definitely powder coating everything. And when I mean everything, I'm not like most guys. They powder coat the lift. You see a lot of guys spend a lot of money on that lift kit getting that powder coat, but you never notice they don't take the time to powder coat the rear axle and the lead springs. Every now and then they powder coat the lead spring, but you never see them powder coat the rear axle, drive itself, and all that. When I mean I'm powder coating everything off under that truck, every single detail, everything that's metal off under that truck, even things that I'm gonna have stuff powder coat that you never even seen that could be powder coated before. And also I'm gonna do, y'all know me, I like to custom fabricate stuff, so I'm gonna have some one-off stuff on that lift too. It's not gonna be all FTS. So I already know when people start, you know, when they see me, they're gonna be like, man, where'd you get that? Let me get a link to that. And I'm gonna be like, ain't no link, cause it was custom made, one-off.
But like I did, like it did with my truck when we did the traction bar.
Yeah.
People today still been telling me, hey man, send me the link to your traction bar. I can't, there ain't no link.
Yeah.
Just they custom fabricate, you know. Yeah. So I can't see you nothing till they custom fabricate.
Yeah, it's a one-off bill. You can't see nothing for one-off. So, you know, I just letting y'all know, you know, got more stuff coming up to the channel. I actually been slacking a little bit. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all probably hear me a lot just by every video. I'll be like, I'm slacking, because I really feel like I'm slacking.
I feel like we both slack. We need to get back on the ground. We've been doing other stuff and just chilling, but now we got to get back on the ground and do what we're supposed to be doing.
Yeah.
Bring y'all some content.
Oh yeah. I don't know. The next big show that I know of is Bayou. I don't know any. There's a show today actually in Colorado. I think the day was October the 14th. Today, October 15th.
Date October 15th.
October the 15th is currently the day this video recording, and the guy. They're having a big meetup, 4-track. A lot of big other YouTubers supposed to be in Colorado. Me personally, it's not my thing, but simply because I feel like car rent is more of a, it's more of a, if you bring your Ford or side by side event than it is to bring your truck. You know, a lot of guys they have real nice trucks and stuff, and they mud because it's real muddy, and I don't like that. I don't like the fact of being in my truck that muddy and just, you know, there's a lot of stuff going on, man. People be trying to get into it and stuff with each other, and I just don't like the environment. In my personal opinion, you know, some people like it. That's up to them, but me personally, I don't think that's a professional show.
I mean, don't get me wrong. I mean, it's a pretty nice show. They starting to get it big, but
it's all right.
But like I said, it's real dusty too. Yeah. Like if it ain't raining, it's real dusty. Yeah. And you got a truck, you know, you don't did so much work to it, and you come in there getting it all dusted out, and you're like, man, I spent all this time getting my truck all clean and glisten clean, and come to get it dusted out.
Yeah, and also folks, they might hit your stuff out there too, leaves. That's another thing you have to watch out. But we gonna tone next to the next sitting right here. So yeah, let's go and get to it.
Yeah. Definitely with that.
Or you could breathe.
Yeah, kill.
Slow them down. Let it go fair.
That's totally different right there. I ain't gonna lie, that is totally different right there. Yeah, kill.
Blake texted me earlier. Hey, you gonna bring your truck by so I can do wheel light? Yeah, I will.
Yeah, so you know, I didn't link on to everything.
You got the sun gun there flicking everything. I like that right there. Hey, I told you, he do good work right here. That's clean.
Or quadro, because it makes you can make them both match.
True.
And dual rows will do it, but quads can't.
Yeah, kid.
Right there, boy.
That's what I'm biting.
Wait till nighttime.
Oh, they bright now.
I believe.
There's one more. There's two of those sets right now.
Really? Who else got those?
That's it. There's like two guys in Morgul's got one. One's got on a Yukon.
Oh yeah, because you said you had to get 6 people to get him.
Yeah, he's got a Yukon. There's a Tahoe to Yukon. Oh, I got here's the other keys I have. Yeah, there's a Tahoe.
These my keys. I'll take when I get off at the shop.
There's a Tahoe to Yukon. There's got two Tahoes that's got them on there, and there's a other truck that's got them on there.
Yeah. Dang.
It is still down though. It's still. They have two pictures of them on there. But his don't do. His don't blank. His is just static on. He didn't want the box.
So where you got the box at?
Mine a 2-battery box.
Dang.
And it's a little small box. It ain't very big.
Oh dang.
Okay.
So Blake, you want to get your name out? Cause I got you on the YouTube now. So we can talk about on the way. Yeah, see, you got anything we can contact you on anything? So because you the guy.
You on Instagram.
All right. What's your Instagram?
It's 988_customs.
All right, 98_custom right there. All right, y'all heard that? So hit up on 98_custom, and he gonna get you right. Cause hey, I'm telling you, I like that right there. But so, heck yeah. As you can see, you can tell by the rings he got. It's professionally done for so. Man, you can't get no better job than that. That's good. I look good. Heck yeah.
Yeah, what the actually look like?
But yeah, alright. What you think about it?
Oh, I like it, man.
Yeah.
It stands out big time. Like,
Yeah.
it's bright.
Heck yeah. It looks a whole lot better than it did, but especially when you turn your rock lights on, that's what you needed right there for so. Heck yeah. He did a good job, man. He did a real good job. Like I said, man, y'all hit him up. He got to look. He does this for people. Actually, he does this for the public. So y'all hit him up. He gives you good deal. These are quad roads. Some of the I'm not even gonna say some of them. It is the best rock lights I ever seen. Like by far the best wheel lights I ever seen. I don't know why I keep saying rock lights, but wheel lights, the best wheel lights I ever seen by far. He did a good job, man. So
He look real good now.
yeah. So you got anything else try to do, shit? Cause it's be my time now to step up.
I mean, I still got a few more things I need to do to it.
Yeah.
I mean, just like I said, stay tuned. Keep watching.
Yeah.
I'm moving a little at a time, but hey, keep watching.
Yeah.
The ghost is coming.
So yeah, as you can see right there, I got my brother right here. He coming out strong. He got the wheel lights. I got a little more stuff to do to my truck, but hey, I'm gonna be there pretty soon. As you know, I got the FTS lift. I got a little wait time on it. I got some more stuff I gotta do on it. And more content coming soon. I'm thinking about bringing the crazy stories back. I don't know what y'all think about the crazy story videos. We used to do them all the time, and we ain't made one in a long time. And so we've been thinking about making one. So as you can see right here, this is my brother, this is me, this is the King Boy channel.
We out of here.
Heck yeah. All right.